Obviously, I've never done this before, so this is gonna be a long stream.
This is gonna be a long stream. This is gonna be a long stream.
All right, let's switch. Hi, Edgar. A big reason I wanted a new keyboard was because when I was playing games, the space bar, the stabilizers, it would cause you're playing like this, and then I'm not over here with my thumb or in the center, I'm kind of just like right here. And then when I press like space, like sometimes the stabilizer, yeah, it's happening literally right now. It's like stuck on this side. I don't know if you can tell, but and then it wouldn't go for a full press, it gets stuck. So I started looking into new keyboards, just to buy, not build. But then I was on YouTube looking up reviews, and then the algorithm sent me Teo types. And then when I saw whatever he was building, I was like, I want one. So then I was just in a rabbit hole of getting all these parts, getting a pretty budget set of parts. And by budget, I mean in the context of custom keyboards, because this shit is expensive. Yeah, they are sick, because at the time I didn't have this purple controller Sabreena got me yet, which is now my main controller. You all know I had this one, so I got a case to match the translucent for this one. So I don't even know where to start, honestly. Actually, I do know where to start. We should probably test that the PCB works.
Look at this. Oops. You see it? It's flipped. Do they see it flipped?
Oh, we got this. It comes with this nice little case. Feels soft. It's like a little translucent and kind of gray. Yeah, it's got arrow keys still. They're gonna go here. Okay, and the size difference right away, dude. Check this out. It's I guess if I put it over here, yeah, I'm gonna have so much more room on my desk. I'm excited for that, because I don't really use these too much. I mean, I use them sometimes, but I think I can get used to not using them. And then here are the keycaps. I got some pretty basic ones off KBDfans. They're just grayscale. Oh god, the light. Anyway, I'll just do this so you can kind of see. They're just gray and white. I think I ordered everything correctly. We're gonna find out. I got Zealios's because this keyboard that I use right now, they're just Cherry MX Browns and they're tactile. So I wanted to go for something that I was sort of used to. So I got another tactile switch. I was thinking about maybe getting linears to try it out, but maybe for a future board way down the line. I do plan on lubing the switches and the stabilizers. Loop it up for gushy gameplay, yes. So, Tim Keyless, what is the order of operations of building a keyboard? I'm definitely gonna test the PCB, right, first, to make sure it's not faulty, right? All right, that's the plan. That's the agenda right there.
Alex has in my crackhead.
Whoa!
I didn't know it light up.
I forgot it did.
It's too bright. No, I'm just kidding.
Any gamers? Let me do the nice camera.
Wow.
Ooh. Oh, whoa, the scan lines.
Whoa.
See that?
Quit.
I can't handle it. Whoa. Anyway, what I'm trying to find out is, I guess, Tim, you might know off the top of your head, does the KBD67 light come with stabilizers? I swear it does. Am I crazy? Because I swear I remember having the stabilizers.
He says I don't
know. Oh, shoot. Dang. This is a shit show. Because this stream might totally be scuffed if I don't even have the stabs. Because I swear the listing... Okay, so at the very least, the R2 listing here, it says it comes with... I'm pretty sure I just don't know where they are. Yeah, that sounds familiar. That's why I think I'm going crazy. Yeah. I just don't know where the hell they are, dude. What are you looking for?
Well, he said show me the top.
Oh my god, are they just in there? I'm so stupid! They're just in there. Right? Oh my god. Right? Oh my god. I was going crazy. I was like, dude, I know they come with stabs. That's why I should have taken off the plate.
Zach, please.
Look, man, just because I graduated college doesn't mean I'm smart.
I I'm so stupid.
I'm so stupid.
I'm
Oh
so
shit.
stupid. The stream would probably be way, way longer if Tim wasn't here.
Oh yeah, Tim, you've saved like hours of my life just being here. Crisis averted. Oh my god, I was about to be like, okay, so I don't have the stabilizers, but I can still like lube everything else and then do the stabilizers some other time when I get them. But thank God we don't have to do that because they're here. I'm gonna unscrew this because we're gonna have to lube them anyway. God, I'm so. What an amazing thing Twitch is. I start streaming, I get a keyboard guy in here. He knows.
He saw us struggling. He's like, alright, let me get in.
This is why I want to commission my next one, so I don't have to worry about
I
this.
don't even think we were doing anything when he just...
Yeah, he probably just saw the title, first custom keyboard. That clickbait. I was a marketing major. Okay, Tim, if you're here, I already put in, the escape key works, I tested it. How do I take out the switch if it's already in? And I have the plate in already. Need a switch puller. Do I have that? Did I buy one of those? Did that spider thing count as a switch puller? No?
No. I don't know.
Wait,
Is
is this a switch puller?
Stem holder?
This thing, the spider leg?
He's gonna laugh if you
Oh
don't
no,
know.
no!
I told you it's a stem holder.
Oh shoot, dude.
So you'll just have to live
you can
with
laugh.
this one.
Yeah. Did I not really buy a switch puller? I feel like I bought so much stuff and I didn't get like the essentials. Small flathead screwdriver. And then like pry it out. Is that? You can just pull the plate off the PCB.
Look at this idiot. Wow.
Like, do I literally just pry it out like this? Oh yeah. Okay, that was painless.
So funny.
We got the stabs. All right, I think I'm gonna lube the stabs. I should probably separate the stabilizer, like all the components of the stabilizer. Is that a good idea? Because right now I'm putting like the whole stab just in the cup. Yes, you have to? All right, I think I'm gonna need more portion cups. I'll be right back.
The real entertainment is back. And now I don't know what to say. What a roller coaster that was. Thank you for your help. It's his first time, so... Uh-oh, I hear him. I hear him. Hello.
What were you saying?
Nothing. Nothing. Good things. Good things.
Good things?
Good things.
We're already almost 2 hours.
What?
1:45. All right, keyboard works. Yes. He's right here. You can say hi right now.
Yeah. Garrett, say hi. Right. Look at the camera. The camera's right there, bro. It's a prank.
Hello.
Oh, I can tell now.
Yeah.
This one looks more rattly.
No, it's definitely.
No, this one's definitely clicky. Oh yeah, I can tell now.
Yeah.
Show off the sword. Okay, I'll show off the sword real quick.
Oh, I hear noise about the sword.
All right, I'll show off the sword real quick. Oh, here, let's do a thing where like I'll do the thing and just pretend you die or something. I'm like,
You can kill me?
I'm like.
Oh, I didn't even see it.
They
Oh,
did.
well.
They weren't supposed to see us so fast.
Oh, you're right.
All right, back to the keyboard build. Okay.
The nicest people I know are gamers.
No,
What if we just like, he's my brother. Mwah.
we're dating, yeah. we're,
No, it's
we're not
okay.
bro sis.
It's
We're not
okay.
bro sis.
Wait, do you guys think we look alike? You know those things where it's like...
We're just Caucasian, you know? I don't blame them, you know? This is not the first
Like-
time that someone's asked, hey, are you guys siblings?
That was so long ago though. Because we had orchestra camp and some girl was like, are you guys brother and sister? And we're like, we didn't want to say anything. We're just like, yeah.
Did we?
Yeah, we were waiting in the lobby and she's like, are you guys brother and sister? I was like, yes. I have exams in school next couple weeks. I'm doing a project right now. What do you go to school for?
But we put a stop to the tournaments for a while.
He's 15.
Oh, you're 15?
I was like, what do you major in? What's your thing? Do you have any social media that we can follow you on?
Hey, that's a little weird because he's 15.
Okay, I'm not saying.
I know, I'm not
I
trying
wanna
to say that.
I want to see what his keyboard looks like because I assume he posts it, right?
Okay.
If he thinks it's cool. Okay.
I'm just trying to not get arrested is all.
I'm not gonna.
You said follow, not watch. Like,
Well,
or
like
look.
I don't know if he has YouTube. He probably has Twitter, right? All right. Just kidding. Never mind. Your Honor, I was intending a different kind of thing. Never mind. I don't want to see your keyboard.
I'm just kind of like rubbing it all, just all around the inside here. Yeah, I bet you will be here till like,
Yeah? Are you betting?
I'll say at least 12, unfortunately. Because we're just talking like this. I'm having fun. This is non-lubed. We're in here.
Yeah, I was in there. That's where I got it. Sorry. Thank you, Scotter Pop.
Hungry.
Thank you.
Who are these
Minda.
people? This is too many people at once. I'm suspicious.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. What the?
Who are you? Am I getting botted right now?
Are you gonna
If you're real,
advertise-
thank you, but I just don't know who you are.
Are you gonna advertise us to buy bots? The boys are here.
No bot? Oh, okay.
Where
Love from
did-
Timmy. Oh!
Oh,
Oh, did he raid or something? Yo!
I'm gonna head to bed.
That was a while ago for Max.
Oh.
Is anyone real? Yeah, that's a good point. You guys could just be... You could be a robot.
We could be AI generated.
You could just be AI. If you're real, thank you. Imagine rating. Oh, did I not get it? Ah, dude, I didn't get a notification. Dude, thank you so much. We're still at it, by the way. But dude, it sounds really good. We just did a comparison between...
Oh, they're judging us in Discord.
Oh, shit.
Cool.
Oh, that's funny. Yeah, we just did a comparison between a lubed plus film switch and then the normal switch, and it was like night and day, really. You just gave us the extra boost.
Tomato Chinro.
Tomato General. Oh. We were looking at his KBD 67 light. I think I had this pulled up to make sure I was putting in the stabs the right way. But I was like, I need someone like fast so I can like beat this stupid little Mac. I chose Captain Falcon in Smash 4. And it kind of transitioned over when I switched to Melee.
Don't watch my video.
Yo, that's him! That's
You
him!
look, there's you.
Is that him? He's not verified
Yeah.
on Twitch for how many?
Wait, click on it. Can you click on it?
No way.
What are you?
It is him.
We're watching your video.
Yeah, dude, I was watching your video. Don't check mark fame slash. I'm just surprised is all, I guess. I guess that's sort of a compliment because I just assume you should have one. Like, you deserve one is what I'm saying.
He's like, don't watch my video. Most people are like, please watch my video. He's like, don't watch my video.
Man, you just exposed me for not being subscribed.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know that's what you were.
No, that's not why. I was just making a joke.
There he is. Oh, wait. Reacting.
No, you-
Reacting.
No.
Play. Yay!
Here I
we
go,
did
stream.
it. Oh, it's like when you didn't know you had stabilizers in the
The
keyboard.
last one.
We did it.
Alright, let me do this. Oh, this is a thumbnail too. This is a Teja thumbnail.
Yay, it's finished. Plug it in, plug it in.
Alright. Okay, guys. Here it is. Here is the comparison. I guess I should have something to show, like a typing test, right? Alright, now let's do the good one. Ooh, just barely better. One word per minute better. Okay. I think that's the test. That's it. I guess I can do the stabs. That one's a little bright, but whatever. I think that's it. I think that's it, guys.